To set up Thinkorswim for futures trading, start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Setup icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, select the Trading tab and choose Futures as the trading type. Next, you will need to set up your account to trade futures. This involves selecting the futures account type and choosing the exchange you want to trade on. Thinkorswim offers a variety of futures exchanges, including the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and the Intercontinental Exchange. After setting up your account, you will need to configure your trading platform. This involves setting up your charts and workspaces to display the information you need to trade. Futures. You can customize your charts to display different types of data, such as price and volume. And you can also set up multiple workspaces to monitor different markets and trading strategies. To trade futures on Thinkorswim, you will need to use the Trade tab. This tab allows you to enter orders and monitor your positions in real time. You can enter orders using a variety of different order types, including market orders and limit orders. And you can also set up stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk. In addition to the Trade tab, Thinkorswim also offers a variety of other tools and features that can help you trade futures. These include real-time market data and news feeds, as well as advanced technical analysis tools and indicators. You can use these tools to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. Finally, it is always a good idea to practice trading with a paper trading account before you start trading. With real money, Thinkorswim offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with fake money. And this can be a great way to get started and to test out your trading strategies. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on Thinkorswim, you can set up a powerful and effective futures trading platform that meets your needs and helps you achieve your trading goals.